What's up, guys? Your boy Israel Ogunina here again with another amazing video for you guys. Now, before I go to today's video, I truly want to appreciate all you guys subscribed to my channel. Thank you so very much. I truly appreciate you guys. It's one big family and we are growing very fast. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Now, another thing I want to also do today in this video is that very soon we are going to be doing our first giveaway on this channel. So we are going to be giving out some gift cards to some people. I'm going to be uploading the day we are going to be starting the giveaway and for when the giveaway will last. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be informing you. I'm going to be announcing when the giveaway will start, and we are going to be giving out gift cards to some people so that they can use to buy anything on either Jumia or AliExpress or Alibaba and so on and so forth. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that anytime I announce the giveaway, you'll be aware of it. Now, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you a particular platform that is rather strange. Now, I know a lot of people make videos about how to make money online. It is very common, how to do this, how to make money, how to copy and paste this and so on. And a lot of people try it out and sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, I understand you. There are some ways people make money online that is rarely known, which is of course it has to be legit. As a lawyer, I must tell you that it has to be legit. There are some ways people make money online that is very low, on a low. They call it on a low in Nigeria, and people don't really know much about it, and they make a lot of money on the platform. Now, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform that allows you to buy and sell domain names. Now, a lot of people might not understand what I really mean by that. Now, for example, there's a man in US that is called Mike Nan. Now, Mike Nan is an amazing domain name investor. Now, he's someone that buys and sells domain name. Now, let me give you just an example. There was a time he bought a domain name for $70 some time ago, and then after some period of time, of course, he had to keep it, just like buying stocks. So he kept it for a very short period of time, and then after a while, somebody indicated interest of buying that domain name. And guess how much the person was intending to buy the domain name for him? The person intended to buy the domain for $45,000. And he bought the domain name for $70. There are ways people actually make money online subtly and on a low. People rarely know about them. Now, today I'm going to be showing you a platform that allows you to do the same thing I'm going to be showing you. Now, how do I know about this platform? Now, some days ago, I was actually watching Channels. Now, for those of you in Nigeria, you know that Channels is one of the biggest TV stations in Nigeria. On that day, I was actually watching Channels just to know what is happening around the country. And then it was a Saturday, and then someone was being interviewed in Channel. And when he was being interviewed, he was actually talking about this company I'm going to be talking to you about. And then he was saying that people can actually make money by buying and selling of domain name and several other things like that. And I know a lot of people might not probably be interested in that, but I took it upon myself and I decided to just check it out because, like I told you guys, I'm a software reviewer and also a researcher. So I decided to do a search about this platform and really see whether it works and how you can buy and sell domain name. And my experience has been fantastic. It has been worthwhile. Now, this platform helps you to buy domain name at a very cheap price, and then it also helps you to sell it at a very fast rate and at a very high price. So you buy domain name at a very cheap price and then you sell at a very high price that you'll be able to get both the money used in buying the domain name and then of course additional money for your own personal interest. And like I told you, a lot of people make a lot of money from it. So I'm going to be showing you through this platform and how I registered on this platform, because I feel that the registration was not like the normal registration process. I'm going to be telling you how I registered on this platform and I've been using this platform, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can actually buy a domain name, what you should look for in buying a domain name, and how you can sell a domain name. Who are you going to be selling to? Everything will be explained in this video. Now, without further ado, let's go right into the video. So welcome back, guys. Like I told you guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing a platform that allows you to make money by buying and selling of domain names. Now, this platform is called TRAVADS. TRAVADS is a platform that allows you to profit from the world of domain names. So first of all, you have the opportunity of buying branded domain names, and then all you need to do is look for the particular domain name you want to buy on their platform. then you buy the domain name, and then you can also sell the domain name. And then they also have what is called premium domain name as well. Now premium domain names are most of the time domain names that are very hot in the market. So any domain name that ends with .com and so on like that, .com means commercial, so it is very hot in the market, and a lot of people are going to be interested in buying it. Now apart from that, one thing you should know about premium domain name is that first of all, it is very transparent. You have an effortless trading, so there are numerous domain name on the platform, and it's also very secured. So like I told you guys before, I actually knew of this platform when I was watching channels on TV. Now how does this platform work? How do I open my account? So what I did was that I actually signed up for the account, and once I signed up to the account, I put my website and so on and so forth, and then they sent me a mail on my email stating that they will actually check back on me, and then they will review my application. So like I told you guys before, it's not like just the normal process of signing up to any website, because they really want to know whether you guys are serious with it. So nobody just opens the account like that. So once you send the application to them, and then after some time they report back to you, they check you that of course maybe your application will be successful or it has not been successful. But for my own case, my application has been successful. But it's very important for you guys to make sure that once you are filling up the information of signing up, make sure that you know what you want to do with it. If you want to use it to make money, or you want to use it as a side hustle, make sure you state all those things there rather than not opening it at all. So it's very important to state why you want to use it. Now the amazing thing about TRAVADS domain name is the fact that when I opened the account, the first thing I noticed was that immediately someone called my number. And then apparently I know that I've actually put my phone number there when I was signing up. Now when somebody called my number, and then I spoke to the particular lady, and lady told me that, well, you have opened your account, can I guide you through the process? She spoke to me that she's a representative of the company, and so she will guide me through if I am interested in buying a domain name, which type of domain name should I buy, and how to actually sell domain name on the platform. This is one thing that you might not necessarily see on several platforms around the world. So you have a special representative that you speak to. Now once you want to buy a domain name, you speak to the representative and then they guide you. Now of course, apart from the fact that the representative guides you on the domain name you will pick, it's also very important for you to do your research online as well. Check whether the domain name is actually available, because not all domain names are available. So check whether its domain name is available. All you need to do is type on Google and then check whether the domain name is available. Now once you see that the domain name is available, the next thing is that of course check for how the domain name sounds. Now I'm answering some of your questions as to how to pick the best domain name. Now of course you have to check how the domain name sounds. I remember some time ago as well, when I saw on internet when NFT started blowing up, I remember somebody bought an NFT domain name for a very low price because a company was very interested in it at that period of time. They actually sold that NFT domain name to them, and it was a lot of money. So a lot of people actually make a lot of money from buying and selling of domain name. I know it's something that is not well known in Africa or in Nigeria, but quite a lot of people make a lot of money from it. In any case, it could be your side hustle and you can actually make a lot of money from it. Now, after answering your questions, I'm going to be showing you how basically the platform works, because you need to really see the platform. Of course, you can buy domain names and you can sell domain names. Buying of domain name is not cheap, and selling of it is very expensive. Have it at the back of your mind that buying of domain name is not cheap. If you are going to buy a domain name that is going to be very lucrative and people are going to be rushing in very few period of time, you must make sure and you must know that you are going to spend at least some money to make additional money. Now, after you must have signed to the account and they have accepted your application, the next thing you're supposed to do is that you go into your account. Now, once you go into your account, it will tell you welcome to domain name discount club of TRAVADS. Now, under this one, all you need to do is click here. Now, under this platform, it said you have access to premium names, like I informed you earlier on, and then you have the opportunity of assistance in pricing your domain name for profit. So like I also told you, you get assistance from the customer service. Someone will be designated to you, and any time of the day you can actually speak with the person on WhatsApp. The person will have you on WhatsApp as well, so you can continue to speak to the person, and once you are ready to sell or buy a domain name, they will choose the best domain name for you. Even if you are someone that has zero knowledge about buying and selling of domain name, the representative of the company will help you in picking the best domain name, and then you have the opportunity of buying a very quality domain name, and then of course you also have opportunity of selling the domain name at a very high price, which they will also help you in doing. Now after I must have done that, all you need to do is click here. Now after I must have clicked on click here, like I told you guys before, don't panic. To buy a domain name is not cheap, especially if you are looking for a very profitable domain name. Now under this domain name, you see several brands under here, and then you see their brand ability. Now for example, you see legalreno.com, which is $210, and then the brand ability is medium. Now if you are someone that is actually into in-law business and so on like that, I think that you should probably look into legalreno.com, because I think it's a hot one for the legal industry, as a lawyer will actually tell you for that. These are some of the things that you actually look into before you buy a domain name. You have to look at the name, and you have to look at which industry is it going to applicable to. So of course, if you are someone that is looking to buy domain name for tech company, you know that Squid might not necessarily be the best name for you. You should also do your research and do further findings on it before you use the platform as well. And then you have Unstill, you have Kodo, you have Vita, you have Ili. You can load more here and see quite a number of domain names under this platform. Now under the amount that you can buy domain name is $400, but of course you see the market price, it is $5,500. So if you minus $5,500 minus $400, then you make a profit of $5,100, and of course it could even be higher than that depending on who is buying it from you and how much you guys have reached on your agreement. So it's a very, very valuable stuff for those that want to make extra income online. If you are looking for a platform you want to make extra money online, I think this is the platform that you should be looking at. Like I told you guys, very, very few people in Nigeria or in Africa know about this platform. Even for me, I knew about this platform on Channels TV, so I tried to check it out. So for you guys who want to make extra income online, maybe you have probably made some money and then you want to just put into other money, make it increase, I think that this platform is what you should be looking for. You can try it out by opening the account first of all. Like I said, I'll put the website on the description below. You can really check it out and see whether you like it before you begin to use it, and take your time to actually study this platform, because for me myself, I'm buying quite a lot of domain name. Now finally, how do you actually make payment for a domain name? Now if you want to make payment for a domain name, all you need to do is click on make payment under here. After you must have clicked on make payment under here, then click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, you can either pay with a dollar card, or you can either pay if you don't have a dollar card. So if I click on this, for example, I can pay into this is actually their Nigerian account that is registered in Nigeria, they can use for the transfer. So you can transfer to this account. All you need to do is click on make payment, and then fill up your information and then submit, and it's as easy as that. Buying domain name is not stressful. Like I told you guys, it was a platform that I actually saw on Channels TV and said check it out, and it does really work. So you can also check it out as well and see whether you want it. Might think of using it. Try and see what you think about it before you begin to use it. People make a lot of money from buying and selling of domain names all over the world, and you can also opt in as well. Make sure you study the platform if you want to use it and know your strategy, which one, how you going to be buying, how you going to sell it before you buy and sell domain name in Nigeria. So that's everything I have for you today on TRAVADS, on buying and selling of domain name in Nigeria. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification button so that anytime I release new videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. Like, see you next time. Keep watching Ogini Official and stay blessed, guys.